Praise someone for placing an edgeless safety cube into a receptacle designed
How
to
do you even get over
exactly
there?
an edgeless safety cube.
No cheating. If you keep on cheating, I'm gonna go. Because I'm not cheating to kill you. Holy!
They're happy.
Na 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 na. Aww. Oh, there we go. Really? Finish up this course without me? Fine. Then I'll sit here. Relaxing time.
No wonder. No.
Are you really in a wall? There you are. What the hell? You're in a wall! Are you... Really? Really? My birthday was
Happy birthday.
see feel. This only means one thing. More companion cubes to kill. One more hour to what?
1 more hour. Till this is over.
Why 1 more hour?
Get the last 2 other.
It's
things
gonna
for
be
an
much
hour.
longer.
I'm crying inside.
Really?
Crap. What?
No more cheats. Because they're not fun.
Why not?
It's much fun when you play by the rules. I don't cheat to kill you. You just kind of die. Yeah.
Just magically
You just
die
always
for no
die.
reason.
I use no cheats for it. You just die. And you blame me for them too. But I don't cheat. I play by the rules. Where are you even?
I think I'm lost.
I see.
There's
You're
tabs.
just kind of glitching. Even part of your screen's missing and I can see through it. 1 minute. Yeah, you're right here.
Where am I?
There you are. What are you doing? No more flying.
Line.
That's not science. You're just gonna glitch up the game. Wow. Really? Okay, no more flying, no more cheats, because it's not fun if you have no cheats in flying.
If you promise to actually help with the puzzle.
And you can't complete them without me. You can't leave and move without me, so I'm not gonna move till you stop cheating. How about that?
And I won't stop cheating unless you
Electrocuted,
stop.
shot, drowned.
I helped!
Actually,
I actually helped.
Oh, sorry. I was just thinking of all the ways humans can die.
So I can stay in this corner and you can't do anything about it till I go.
With perfect results and no consequences.
I'll play the moron test till I go. Ah, that's loud.
anytime. I don't even know how you pass Portal 1.
You could ask my friend, we actually did.
Portal 1. No.
Oh, Portal, that was
Portal.
easy.
Portal, whatever.
The first Portal was as easy as cake. Even if it's a lie. Yep.
Did you
It was
get
a brown
into the
cake.
room with the cake? Not like the cutscene. Just actually go into the room
Yep.
and move around.
Yep.
Like you're actually in the room, moving. Yeah, for some
That's
reason, I
because
can't
you
believe
have
that.
no belief.
Well, I don't have belief in you.
Huh?
I'm sorry. Love. I'm going to make a bridge over cubes.
So are you gonna actually cooperate? And not do cheats? Okay.
Whatever
Now
makes
go to
you
the
happy,
spinny
I
the
guess.
swirly whirly. Go to the swirly whirly, come on. Now dance to the swirly. Oops, wrong one. Having fun in there.
Very much. Anytime you want to, you can just make a portal there and push the button.
Yeah. Yep.
Was that necessary?
No, my stuff.
Now go through the swirly whirly. I'll press the button this time. I didn't know there was a button. I forgot. I thought this was the one with the pinball.
Oh.
Now,
I can't believe we actually made it.
I'm giving you one free reason for this chambers since you're not gonna cheat. Dancing in the swirly whirly.
Every time you fail, it's a reminder of the way things used to be. But then there you are,
Indeed.
again, like nothing happened.
I will hug you to death.
Really? Ha!
Now move. I have all day, kind of.
I'm in where I'm
messing
supposed
around?
to. You're the one who's messing around.
See, but
That's the first test saber we actually went fast in.
The best way to build confidence is to first recognize your insecurities.
now I know this one's
Orange.
going to
Okay.
take forever.
You have to go through the swirly whirly.
Unworthy, ashamed, or inferior. On second thought, we don't have the time.
Haha!
Just look
That
at
is
how
like-
much better you are than Blue. Blue,
Yes, you are.
you are very good at being an example.
You ready?
I don't even know.
Hi. Are you putting on music?
You're where I'm at.
Okay.
Waiting on you.
I love this test chamber.
Forever.
It's the pinball one. I
Yeah,
will.
just stay on the
I'll
button.
stay on the button.
Never mind. I would even make that stuff. Never mind. I can't make it.
How is this even science?
I know.
Without the possibility of death.
What's science about death? Mostly Blue's death. Oh God. Raise this for a bit. There we go. You died again.
having
Go through the
fun.
swirly whirly.
Oh, I would play
Never
your
mind.
favorite song if you. Where is it? Oh no. Okay, with this one I guess.
That's not my favorite song. This is my top 10, but not my favorite. Now go through the swirly whirly.
What?
Science is more important than music. Now dance.
The song
Nope.
is music.
Okay.
Actually, that reminds me. Be right back.
Okay, you ready to play pinball?
Okay, back.
Ready to play pinball?
So I have to plug in.
Press the button and then let the ball drop. I'm gonna show you how to play pinball in this game. I learned it from one of Ping with Hardwick's videos. Come on, press the button. Right here. You see that button? Go ahead and press it. I'm acting like Wheatley. Oh, missed the button. And I told you I was gonna play pinball, so why are you trying to jump? Really, you don't listen. Get in there. Get in the swirly whirly.
You didn't fit in the portal.
There. Get in the swirly whirly. Now I will show you how to play pinball in this game. Press the button and do not jump in. Ah.
And ball.
Ah. Paranoia? Oh, figure 9. I know that one.
Figure 9.
Okay, press the button.
Second.
This is how you play pinball in Portal.
You probably want to see disclaimers on the YouTube video.
Huh?
If you're going to put this on YouTube. If you're going to put this on YouTube, you should play.
Yep, I'll put a disclaimer of what this song is. It is an awesome song by awesome band. With awesome lyrics. Okay, flying! Pinball time! Yep, I was on the button. Up. I was about to push you. I was about to throw you up. Ready? Press the button. Press the button. Conk. I forget. Ah. Oh, I missed it. Woo! Look behind you. Aw. Where'd it go? Aw, it was right there.
I was floating somehow.
Good job.
Actually, do that again.
Okay, my turn to go through the swirly whirly. How long have I been recording anyway? Let's see. 10, so about 2 hours, an hour or something. Okay, swirly whirly. Woo! Time to play pinball. You're not very good at pinball, are you? Yes, but at the same time, you can't get it up without me.
And I win.
And they said no one would ever die during this
Really,
test.
more balls.
Thanks for proving them wrong.
That door needs balls. Hi. Really? I was about to play rock, paper, scissors. Ha!
Shaking my head.
No, that was probably the longest one.
Fastest one.
Just because of how many times I killed you in pinball. Whoever says pinball's not a dangerous sport is wrong. In Portal, they do it all the way. They have water underneath. And people. I'm gonna have to do something.
Remember when I told you that you were the only subject
No,
that has
she
the
lied to
calibration
us!
test? I lied. There are 5,000 other two-subject teams. in direct
Yeah, run away.
competition with you. But don't worry, you are
I'm
in
gonna
no
ask you something.
Then it's valid. Any other music you want? I have techno.
Okay, back.
For the first time.
Okay, you have to go through the swirly whirly. You ready for this?
Ready when you are, I guess.
Yep, I am.
Enjoying yourself.
This is my second favorite chamber.
Disgusting.
Good job.
Good job.
Good. Live here.
For science. Okay, ready? Actually go up this time. Balls!
Begin juggling 10.
I won!
In 3, 2, 1.
Okay, wait. Rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins gets to choose what we do next, okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay, next.
I'm floating. Yeah.
It's 3 out of 3.
Oh.
Tiebreaker! Give me luck! Because I have something really good to do. Aw. 3 out of 6.
Yeah.
Get over here.
And of course, I know you're not going to listen. Demanding.
Now just stay there. Yes.
Enjoy playing around with balls. There.
Really? Okay, my turn in the swirly whirly.
I can't have done that.
Set up the portals. Okay, get up. Get what I did to you up.
Second.
Good job. Okay, one more chance.
Wrong one.
Good job. You
Really?
really?
What? How are you still
Nope.
alive? I thought you
You
would
fail so much. And I gave you a chance to do what I did to you.
Yeah.
And what I did to you to me. And you failed. If I had
Maybe
no
I'll
more
want to
chances.
fail.
But can't.
After this, I'm gonna take a break from. Well, after this test chamber, I'm gonna take a break from Portal.
I'm gonna